Okay, I didn't have much time to do recording this week, but I think I did like maybe 2 days or so. So I just wanted to show you trade result for the week from now. Uh, okay, from 20th. Is it 20th? Yeah, 20th is Monday. Okay, from Monday to um yes. So I actually made $10. Okay, last week also was $10. Um, so it's slow and steady, right? It's slow and steady. The reason why I'm showing you this is so that you can get to see after a week, was I profitable? Yes, I've made my profit. I've withdrawn my profit. So now I'm expecting to do 2 more weeks, 2 more weeks of $10. By that time, my profit will now be my stake will now be my capital will now be like that's 40 plus 20, that's 60. Now from that 60, instead of me doing $10, I can do $15. I can do $20. If I have not made 4x, 6x of my stake, I don't change the stake until I've made profit. So until you are profitable, that's how you can now have more confidence to trade. You're going to be trading with profit. Okay, just a minute. Let me see if I can show you the week before. Okay, by the time I get to my capital to $60, I can now start staking maybe like $18. So within $15 to $20, I can now start staking that. Now I will be. What it simply means is that I'm going to be trading with profits. Okay, I'm actually trading and risking profits made. So the plan is to actually made. You see this 20. You see this. This was what I had before. So I was using $10 of it. Now I'm going to be using like $18. Since already made, if I'm able to make $40 in 4 weeks, so what it means is from this $60, I can now start staking next month. So this is what I will be expecting to be making by next month, second week in next month. We're looking at from $18 if I'm doing 20%. Okay, if I'm doing 20%, sorry, let me use the real calculator. You say from $18 times 20%. So I'm going to be making $3 every day. Before, the target is $2 every day. Okay, from using $10, I'm making $2 every day. So if I'm doing that every day, now what it means is from this in a week, or let's even say in 10 days, I would have made like $36. So by the time I do 20 days, we're looking at $72. Now I'm increasing this bit by bit. The reason why I'm starting small is so that someone else who also don't have fun can start small. Don't belittle the day of this period. Builds your confidence. It builds your confidence on what you are doing. It also assures you and reassures you that, oh, you are profitable. What you're doing is working and you are making profit from it. So slow and steady. That's how it happens. Not everything is start big, get it big. You have to start small. So guys, see you another video. God bless you. See you another time.